It's not like every day we get to use the private pool, and this had to happen. Like,
walk through life. Every day is a new beginning. Shine your light. It's a day and the world is waiting. Move along to the song, singing in your soul. Feel the beat, clap your hands, let's take control. All you need, all you want, are you ready to find your way? 'Cause every day is a new day. And everything's going your way. And you wanna make it last forever. We'll keep it together, 'cause it keeps getting better.
so we're having our snacks here at Seven Waves. Ralph wants to play dart. That's actually the very reason why we're here. You just want to play dart, apart from having snacks. Okay.
No, it's about getting snacks. That's just embarrassing. See?
Just so you.
What's the problem? That's the problem with having
Just
the
so
video
you see
running.
where. Ralph, I was here and you threw it. Good.
What is wrong with Upwork today?
Maybe they're down.
I can't even get the fucking app to open.
What's that, Tika? Did you eat your food? What's okay? Hi, it is still very gloomy. But of course I like it. It's just not good when you're, you know, would like to stay in the beach for a long time. But anyway, so remember last time I was very paranoid that I might keep losing birds because I've transferred them out here and there's no protection in the jalousie. Well, Ralph took care of that problem by replacing the entire window. Look at that. So that morning when I told him about my dream or nightmare that I lost a lot of birds, he immediately called JRF Glass Company to do this. The thing is, I am not so impressed by their work though, because they tend to measure incorrectly. Like when they were doing the window in a room, I really saw that there was like a big gap in one of their measurements. I know he measured it properly, but when it was time for him to cut the material, it turned out it was really short, and he just covered it up with a silicone. Now what he did here is when they were putting silicone, they've accidentally dripped it on the glass, and they just told my brother to let it dry and he can remove it. I mean, that's fine, my brother can definitely handle it, but what if my brother accidentally scratches it? Then that means it's on us. We can no longer go after them because we did the scratching. So my point is they should have just stayed and waited for it to dry off and had it removed. Like they should have removed it themselves, because they should really give us a good like output. But this isn't good. This is definitely not good. That looks dirty and that looks unprofessional of them. My brother is still gonna be contacting them. It's just that it's Sunday today, so there's no office. Yesterday it was Saturday. He said he did go to have them come here, but they're closed. Carlos is singing. Well, anyway, because of this, I changed again the design or arrangement. Yes, Carlos. Na. Yeah, you can't see Carlos. It's way too dark in here. But yeah, so when a bird escapes, it is closed because there's a protective screen, and we also installed the door here. Even if this door is open, it's still safe for them to be here because, like I said before, there's a grid outside of the jalousie. So yeah, I'm just making a complaint about it because twice now that we have used their service, and I am not so impressed. The name is JRF Glass in Hinigaran. I hope they will do something about it. This is Papa John's birthday cake. He is now 74 years old. He's gonna blow that one candle. But he doesn't want to go to the beach with us, so he's just gonna stay here. So waiting for him. Dinang birthday boy! How does it feel to be 74?
Fine.
So are you still strong?
I have 1 year more.
No, you have 20 years more.
Ano wish mo pa?
Oh, what's your wish, Papa John? Kakita ka, dibla?
Okay.
O, kita mo ning kanila, oh.
Okay.
Kailanon?
Hindi lang pa paglawayan.
Galing ang laway mo ba? Di ba lang mag-ano hindi kami na kakaon. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Papa John. Oh, blow the candle. May wish alay pa, wish alay. Sa imo lang mind. O, tas blow the candle. Ang laway, ha?
I wish I have more to give.
Okay, very good. Oh, blow na. Yay! Okay, now, ikiyaran ka namon unang nga cake. So we were really having a great time in the grand pool here at Paradiso, but it was cut short when the storm just just came out of nowhere. It was so quick. First we We were just watching it from afar earlier. We were even talking about it being in Iloilo, and then like in a split second it was all over us. It's all the leaves were falling on the pool. It's upsetting because it's not like every day we get to use the private pool. We were only allowed to use it because there were so many guests at the other pool, and it's really really nice of the owner to allow us to use it, and this had to happen. Like, look.
It's really Dia's fault. Whenever she's happy, like there would be a big storm. Used to be when we were still kind of courting. If we got in a fight, when the fight was over, there'd be a huge storm.
Well, he's like saying I'm a witch or something, but I am not. I'm not willing it.
Aswang.
No.
You know, in Spanish, it's also aswang.
Yeah, well,
Or not aswang. What's it in Spanish?
my brother is currently grilling.
Bruja. That's it. Bruja.
I don't know if we're still going back after this because I think the rain is still gonna continue for the next 2 hours.